Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are making the trendy hot chocolate bombs. They're chocolate balls filled with hot cocoa and marshmallows. Just pour some hot milk into your mug and you'll have some marshmallows pop into the top. They're very fun, they're easy to make, and they're good treats for the holidays. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can receive all my upcoming videos. You will need a cup and a half of your favorite brand of chocolate. My favorite is Ghirardelli. I use it for all my baking recipes. We will go ahead and melt the chocolates in the double broiler. You can also use the microwave for this process. Pour in about a teaspoon and a half into your sphere mold and make sure that you spread it evenly. Make sure to fill in all the gaps because you don't want your chocolate to crack later on. Pop them into the fridge for about 5 minutes. Our chocolate got hardened. We're gonna go ahead and repeat this step one more time to have a very strong, thick layer. This time you will need to leave them in the fridge for about 10 minutes to get hardened so they don't crack easily when we take them out of the mold. And here we have our chocolates. Now in this step, the chocolate is very sensitive, so please be careful while you're taking it out of the mold so you don't break it. Go ahead and preheat any pan you have because we will need to get all the bumpy surfaces flat for the chocolate. After you do this process, you will go ahead and fill them up with the hot cocoa and the marshmallows and fuse them together. Do not worry if you see any gaps on your chocolate bomb. You will need some melted chocolate to seal the gaps and make them smooth. Here comes the design part. You can be very creative and have your own design. I just drizzled some white chocolate, sprinkled some red candy sugar on top, and voila, your chocolate bomb is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can receive all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, and I'll see you next time.